if I could fit through this damn thing. Seriously, dude? Class ended hella early. It was the last class of the semester, which I'm really excited about. Oh my god, this light sucks. But I'm kind of good because I bought a coffee to like stay up and pay attention, and class usually is dismissed at like 10 o'clock. He let us out at 8:30 today. So now I'm gonna go home and clean the freak out of the apartment, make dinner, and then I don't know, maybe do homework. I highly doubt I will. Edit today's video. I don't know, today's vlog is kind of short, so maybe we'll try to figure out something to do since tomorrow the federal government is closed in honor of the National Mourning Day of President George H.W. Bush. And yeah, I'm just gonna spend all day studying tomorrow, so I kind of want to make the best of this kind of sort of free time I have. That's pretty much where I'm at the moment. Yep. And I think this vlog started with me walking to class. So, kind of boring. Sorry, guys. That's just my life. The reality of a working student. Okay, so I'm home from class. And let me just pause this real quick. Pause. And can we just talk about this giant mess? I did my laundry this weekend. And then we decided to do that light thing, go to that light festival, and I abandoned it. I still have stuff hanging on our drying rack, and I have yet to wash the bed sheets, which I'm kind of glad I didn't last night because David's dirty ass started laying on the bed, but that's clean. And we got this new shelving thing from Target. Actually, let's talk about that. So I purchased one of them during Cyber Monday. Everything on Target was 15% off. And I think this was like between $20 and $30 originally. So I ordered one for pickup. I ordered online and picked it up in store. And along with these shoe racks I purchased as well. These were only $9.99 plus 15% off. And for my boots, I just didn't put the second shelving on it so that I could fit all my boots under there as well. So this is three shoe racks total. And then I purchased this just because I wanted one in the entryway for shoes that we wear all the time. And I'm gonna put some hooks up here to hang our coats and like my purses and things like that. I'm gonna put a bowl and some plants, you know, that kind of entryway situation. So we picked up at Target and the box was really freaking heavy. I was like, why? I mean, I didn't really register like how, I took the measurements of this thing, right? And I measured it so that I would know how this would fit next to our door. And I didn't know it was gonna be as light as they actually are, but when we picked up the boxes, they were so heavy. And this weekend we opened them up for like finally. It's been sitting in our living room for like a week completely unopened and untouched, and we finally decided to build it this past weekend. And in that giant box there were 4 of those things. Mind you, I ordered one. So I think what had happened is that they didn't open the shipment box it comes in when it gets shipped to Target, and they just gave me the whole thing. So I have 4 of them now. I'm not mad about it. I mean, Jesus was like, this bitch is broke, we're gonna give her 4 of these shelves. So we built 2 and put it here. And I'm not really sure what to do with the other 2. Why are you meowing? I fed you. What's wrong with you? Why is he in that corner? What are you doing? What's wrong? Huh? What's wrong? Okay, it's not a toy, buddy. I gave you your food. It's not even done yet. Why are you yelling at me? Anyway, as I was saying, so here's the box that it came in. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys. See, this looks like this is the box that it gets shipped in when it gets to Target. And they were supposed to open it and give me 1, but they didn't open it. They gave me 4. So we have 2 more, which I think I'm gonna put in the kitchen, possibly. Or I might put one here and, oh, let me show you guys. I might put one here and one here just for organization purposes, but we're torn. We're hoping to get a couch soon, and that's like the next big purchase we want to make for our place, right? And this dining area, this is supposed to be the dining area, but I think we want to put the TV and a couch here to make it like a cozy living area next to the kitchen, and just put like a couch, a coffee table, some like accent tables or something, and then just use this entire space as a bedroom and like another like lounge area, or maybe make a corner for Klaus, or like my desk and vanity space or something like that, just to make this the best use of this space as possible. And yeah, because our bed is kind of big, and just putting a couch here, I don't think we have as much real estate space to mess with compared to like putting it here. So I'm toying with that idea. I'm gonna look at some couches online, take some measurements of it, and see how it would lay out in this space. So yeah, because we spend so much time in the kitchen that it's I don't know, it would be nice to just have the living area and the kitchen and the TV all in this area of the apartment, you know? So I would like to share what I did with these bottles. So if you don't know where this bottle came from, this is a Modelo bottle, and I cleaned it and took all the labels off, and I think I'm gonna put some more dead plants in here. I'm much better at keeping dead plants than living ones. Clearly I need to water this. This one is slowly but surely dying. Fun fact about these flowers, David actually got them for me, I think Valentine's Day, like 2015, 2016, something like that. And what I do with the flowers he gives me is that I flip them over and dry them out until they can stand on their own, and that's what they do. I've had this forever. But yeah, and oh, here's the other batch that I did it to. Same bouquet of flowers, it's just they didn't all fit in one of these vases. So I'm gonna tackle cleaning, tidying up, and then putting laundry away. Oh, Klaus is taking a shit. Let me let him be. But yeah, I'm just waiting for David to get home now. I'm gonna upload today's vlog, which was yesterday, and make some dinner, possibly. I'm not really sure what to eat. I'm tired of eating chicken. We bought so much chicken from freaking Costco, and now that's all we have. I forgot I had to upload my video. I'm gonna do that first. Okay, I've uploaded my video, and now time to continue cleaning my vanity space. I don't know how I ended up with 2 Fenty Beauty foundations, but I did. I think one is my mom's and one is mine. She ain't getting it back though.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow.
Finally finished cleaning.